So this is third part of our JavaScript tutorial in which we'll be learned how to add Hello World program in JavaScript. So now we'll be starting. This is a practical project which we are doing. So for doing this project, here now I will be opening my Sublime Text Editor. So you have to move here, open Sublime Text. So you can use many various text editor. I am using Sublime Text. You can use VS Code, Notepad also. This is the Notepad here which you can use, which is already installed in your PC. So you can use this text editor also. You can download Sublime Text from Google. So here now you have to first of all write starting code like this. But before writing, you have to save your file on your location where you have to work with. Like I will be saving it in local disk E with the name of index.js. We are working with JavaScript, so you have to name the file as .js to save it. So I will be saving it on local disk E, and you can see now it has been saved and there it is written index.js. Now for working in JavaScript, you have to just now write a tag. Here you have to write console.log, and here we will be printing hello world. So here I will be now printing hello world. When you've done that, you have to make another file, and then here you have to just save this file, then save it with the name of index.html in same location. So here I will be now saving it here in same location, and I'll be replacing that. Now you have to just write HTML, then here when you've written this, you have to link your script file here. So this was our script JavaScript file. You can see now we will be linking that. I have written a script tag here. I'll be writing source, then I'll be writing index.js. Save this, open it from your default Google Chrome browser, which was in local disk C, our file index.html. So I'll be searching here index.html. This is our file. I'll be opening this. You can see nothing is coming because here now we have just opened this. So here I will be now doing one thing. I will be moving here, press inspect, and here if I just show you, move here console, you can see we are getting hello world program. So this was how you can just write hello world program in JavaScript, and like this you can link file in HTML using JavaScript. So this was our third video in which we have covered up how to write hello world program using JavaScript. So now I'll be meeting you in the fourth part. So for today, goodbye.